Good morning everyone. So we're topic about global economy definition. So what is global economy? Global economy is the definition is which the countries economies become increasing by two countries trade and do investment and incomes increase. Economies increase more by technology. So global economy is the way is some way of trading of two countries together. The World Trade Organization is to set rules to global economy. What is World Trade Organization? World Trade Organization it operates the global system of trade rules and helps developing countries to build their trade capacity. So what is World Trade Organization in the global economy? The World Trade Organization it operates the global system of trade rules and helps the developing countries to build their capacity. So ang World Trade Organization kibali is mo na nag-set og agreements para sa trading sa mga countries or mag-set sila rules para ang mga trading sa countries is pantay-pantay, they're equal in trading and may malabuan sa ilang pag-trade. Then sila pa nagabantay kung may malapas sa mga trading nga dili mga maayos sa mga pag-trade nila para ang mga developing countries maka-apply sa badtong mga wala na sa developing countries na list nga countries. So the World Trade Organization to set rules. So meaning na rules ang World Trade Organization. Ang World Trade Organization is na siya 5 rules. What is the 5 rules? First one is regulating international trade. The World Trade Organization acts as a central authority for regulating international trade by administrating a set of agreements negotiated and signed by its member and countries. So, regulating international trade. This agreement serve as a rule book kung unsay mga kuan regulate sa mga nation nga na member sa regulating international trade. So, magkuan to siya ang regulating international trade is mo to siya dito mag-base ang mga rules sa international trading. So mo to siya nato siya mga rule book or sa mga nakabutang dito nga pwede gamit sa trading, pareha ng mga tariffs, mag-taxes kung mag-trade or pareha na mag-export sa laing countries, then dadlan sa laing countries gikuha mo tog barato sa laing countries, inigabot sa countries nga gipadalhan ang nag-export nga countries, mabutang to sila taxes kay para dili sila maka-income po tong countries nga nag-export. The number 2 rules, which is facilitating trade negotiation. The World Trade Organization serves as forum of its members countries to negotiate trade agreement. So what is facilitating trade negotiation? So the facilitating trade negotiation. These negotiations aim to reduce trade barriers, address specific trade issues, and create new rules for international commerce. And facilitating these negotiations crucial for achieving more open and state global trading system. Sa word pala nga facilitating, makasabtan na to ang second rule, facilitate. So mo na mag-facilitate sa mga specific trade issues, ilang hanayon unsa nga trade issues ang wala natarong. So ila to facilitate para masakto. Then ila pod i-address ang mga trade barriers kung unsay pwede mabuhatan ng trade barriers, pwede mawalaon para maka-trade ang isa ka countries to open their global economic trading, maka-open ang isa ka country ana para maka-apil siya trading to other countries, ma-improve po ang state or nation sa anang country, maka-apil siya trading sa facilitating trade negotiation. Most of na makakuhan sa global trading mo negotiate sa two countries para two countries mag-trade, nana silang negotiation kung unsay way nila silang trading para ma-facilitate lang trading nila mahanay din nana sila negotiation or magama sila agreement mag-trading sila. So the number 3, resolving trade disputes. The World Trade Organization settlement system is a vital component of its roles in the global economy. So what is resolving trade disputes? It provides mechanism for member countries to resolve trade disputes through bidding process, ensuring the countries to comply with their obligation under the World Trade Organization agreement. Sa ang regulating resolving trade disputes mo help ni siya prevent sa trade wars and maintain stable global trading environment. Kay ang resolving trade disputes kay mag-base man siya sa agreement sa World Trade Organization. Then ang regulating trade disputes kay mag-bidding siya, bidding process para equal din kanang makakuhag sakto, kanang pantay, kanang dili makalapas sa agreement sa nagibuhat sa World Trade Organization sa silang system. Kay og mag-bidding man pod maka-prevent sila trade wars, mawalang mga dili na kay patas-anay lang man na kay mag-bidding. So patas-anay offer or pamubuhay offer depende sa products nga ginakuha. So muna resolving trade disputes. The number 3. Number 4, monitoring trade policies. The World Trade Organization monitors the trade policies of its member countries to ensure compliance with its agreement. So monitoring trade policies, this process helps to maintain transparency and accountability in international trade, promoting a more predictable and fair global trading system. So ang monitoring trade policies mag-monitor sa mga policies by countries silang gipirmahan nga agreement, dayon maintain ilang transparency and balance sila, mag-maintain silang kuan. Kaya ginamonitor man nila kung sakto ba ang trade nila, ang trade agreement sa mga countries. Then para fair po ilang trading system sa mga countries, ilang ginamonitor kay tanawon lang fair bang global trading system sa mga by countries. The last one, number 5, in the roles of World Trade Organization, providing technical assistance. The World Trade Organization provide technical assistance and training to developing countries, help them to participate more effectively in global trading system. Providing technical assistance, this support helps to bridge the gap between developed and developing countries, promoting economic growth and development worldwide. So, ang providing technical assistance, promote ni siya or mutabang siya sa ang developed countries, mutabang sa developing countries may trading or unsa ilang palaguon ang economy sa developing countries para makasabay ng mahimo ng develop ang developing countries. Mosab na isa ka role sa World Trade Organization para sa ilang agreement or ilang roles nga matabangan nila tong developing countries pa mahimong develop para mag-grow ang economy sa developing countries.
So good day everyone. So our next topic is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. So International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, it was established in 1944 to help European countries rebuild after World War II. So, when we say reconstruction and development, muna siyang pagbalik loob or pagtukod og balik and pagpalambo sa lugar. So, the purpose of International Bank for Reconstruction is to provide financial products and policy advice to help countries reduce poverty and extend the benefits of sustainable growth to all of their people. So there are 6 strategies of World Bank. The first one is country strategy, and the second one is country policy and institutional assessment. So the third one is poverty reduction strategy. So the fourth one is poverty and reduction strategy paper. And the fifth one is poverty reduction support credit, and the last one is International Finance Corporation. So country assistance strategy is a plan by the World Bank that details how it will help a country with loans and projects. It is based on the country needs and past performance. For example, dito sa Pilipinas, is nila og suporta sa proyekto o gamit pang especially sa agrikultura. Dayon, ang pwede sila makahatag og loan or pautang para sa development of our agriculture diri sa Pilipinas. So, silbi ang country assistance strategy mo na ang magpautang sila if ang country is nanghinanglan og finance. So the next one is policy institutional assessment. So measures how will a government implements key economic reforms like liberalization and privatization. This score is crucial for determining a country's eligibility and loan amount for development project, even more so than the poverty reduction strategy. So mao ni example, isa ka bansa taas siya og score sa CPIA. So meaning ani is mao ni sila ang mga maayong modala sa negosyo. So like privatizing. So privatizing, example sa privatizing is mao ni ang pagbaligya sa mga gamit sa gobyerno na dili na kayang ipadayon kay lack of budget na. So example, gas station ibaligya sa gobyerno kay dili na niya kayang ipadayon ang gas station kay lack of budget na. So ibaligya niya dito sa nay kayang ipadayon ang gas station. So mas tungod ani mas dako og tsansa na makautang gikan sa international bank kay dili. The next one is poverty reduction strategy. It's a plan to reduce poverty by creating national policies. It involved input from many people and helped improve teamwork among donors. Although it meant to cover big economic issues, the low growth and inflation, public feedback usually focuses more on social issues. So in short, mga plano ni para bawasan ang mga naglisod diri sa atuang bansa sa pamaagi sa pagpapabuti na sa ekonomiya at lipunan. Example, plano sa gobyerno na offer og mga oportunidad sa trabaho at mapabuti ang edukasyon at kalusugan at suportahan ang mga mahirap na pamilya. And the next one is poverty and reduction strategy paper. It's a plan that outlines how a country will reduce poverty and what funding it needs. Countries must create a PRSP to get debt relief from international organizations. Despite the need of public input, the final PRSP might not always reflect this feedback, which can lead to concerns. So, in short, mga plano na how country reduce poverty and what funding it needs. So, mostly mga kinahanglan ron sa mga na Pilipinas is to build a building sa mga layo na lugar. So kay man daghan mga mga estudyante na wala ka eskwela kay tungod sa layo kay lagi ang eskwelahan na atuan nila. So mao ni dapat tukod sila og building dito sa bukid-bukid para ang mga tao dito is maka-eskwela. Then to give free na kagamitan at uniform sa mag-aaral. This sample is kalusugan. So, to build a health center. So, ang mga every barangay naman karon is na may center. So, wala na problema. Then, libreng gamot. So, ang mga pobre karon gamit na sa herbal kay wala mo slide kwarta pangpalit og mga gamot. So, kailangan gyud is maghatag ta og libreng gamot. Then, mao ni lang estratehiya para mahurot na yung naglisod kaning mga tao diri sa kalibutan. So the last one is International Finance Corporation. It's a part of the World Bank Group. It helps with private sector investments by raising capital and offering advices government and business in developing countries. So in short, mao ni ang mga negosyo na need nila og tabang para ang ilang negosyo is dali ra mo unlad. So the code of our topic is development is about transforming the lives of people, not just transforming the economies. That's all.